Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all must be fine. In our textbook of physics for class 9, we must have seen in chapter upthrust how upthrust, that is weight of displaced water, is equal to weight of the body. Now we shall look for the derivation of this now. As we know that weight of every body is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, and pressure is equal to force upon area. As we know, pressure is equal to force upon area, so force is equal to pressure into area. So force is equal to weight, so weight in a liquid is equal to pressure into area into rho into h into g into area. Now let us consider this image. In this image we can see an object which is fully immersed in water, and two forces are acting on it, F1 and F2. F1 is the force due to weight, and F2 is the upthrust maximum, FB dash. And here two heights are there, one for the column of weight and another for the column of upthrust, H1 and H2. Now the net force will be F2 minus F1. Now the net force will be F2 minus weight, that is F2 minus F1, that is maximum buoyant force minus weight, that will be FB. Now weight of the liquid is equal to rho into H1 into G into area upon rho into H2 into G into area. Now weight is equal to rho into G into H upon area. Now as we have seen in maths, area volume is equal to area into height. So now H1 minus H2 is equal to H dash. So now height into area is equal to volume. Now weight is equal to, as we know that density is equal to mass upon volume, so mass will be density into volume. Here we have density into volume, so it will be mass. So weight of the liquid is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Here we have seen weight of the object, that is mass into acceleration due to gravity, and here the weight of the liquid is equal to mass into acceleration. So putting equation 1 and 2, we can say that weight of the body is equal to weight of liquid displaced. This is also Archimedes principle, that is mass into acceleration due to gravity is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, which is further equal to buoyant force. Now you can have a look on the derivation. Thank you guys, keep learning, and if you find the videos interesting, kindly subscribe it, and if you find my channel something good, then kindly subscribe it, kindly like the video.